Putting in perspective, Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri has claimed ahead of the much contested triangular contest of the Delhi Assembly elections that BJP is going to come into power in the national capital, saying that in the last 15 years he has made statements for which he has to apologize, referring to Arvind Kejriwal, and also adding that the people of Delhi are upset with the functioning of the Aam Aadmi Party government, while also reiterating that this budget is going to also be welcomed by the people of Delhi. Let's now listen in to what he has said.
नहीं देखिए, दिल्ली में आप देखिए स्थिति क्या है। जो डेस्परेशन और फ्रस्ट्रेशन लेवल केजरीवाल जी का, वो तो वहां से जाहिर हो रहा है कि वो कह रहे हैं कि किसी ने जहर डाली उसमें। अरे भाई, अगर तुम मुख्यमंत्री हो 10 साल से, अगर तुम्हें लगता है कि किसी एक केमिकल का लेवल है तो आप उसको सही करो ना, आपकी जिम्मेवारी। पर किसी पे आरोप लगाना, इसलिए वो फंस गया, बोलता है जल्दी। इसका पूरा इतिहास है, पिछले 15 साल से ये स्टेटमेंट्स करता आ रहा है, फिर इसको माफी मांगनी पड़ती है, या शूट एंड स्कूट पॉलिटिक्स जो करते हैं। दिल्ली में आप मान के चलिए, दिल्ली की जनता केजरीवाल से दुखी है। इसकी क्रेडिबिलिटी इफेक्ट होगी, और क्रेडिबिलिटी इफेक्ट इसलिए होगी क्योंकि ये भ्रष्टाचार पॉलिटिकल स्टार्टअप है। इनकी शुरुआत हुई थी भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ आंदोलन में, और खुद ये एकदम भ्रष्ट आउटफिट बन गए। आज तो देश के लिए हुआ है, तो दिल्ली के नागरिकों भी उसको वेलकम कर रहे हैं। नहीं
Mehndi, my colleague, is joining me live on the broadcast. Mehndi, if at all when we are hearing the statements by the Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri on BJP taking a claim to come back to power and retain power in the national capital, which will be in fact going to break a hiatus of 23 years in the national capital by the BJP. What is that the BJP is actually banking on ahead of these polls, and given the strategies that they are largely focusing on remains to be very crucial?
Well, indeed, Simran, it is a very crucial assembly polls, we can say, for all the political parties, and BJP is on their front foot right now, and all the senior leaders are targeting Aam Aadmi Party government on their models of governance, on their model of, different policies as well in the national capital. But yes, Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri has taken a drive at, the Delhi's government, saying that the desperation and frustration level of Arvind Kejriwal can be seen in his statements. And he also said, he, not only him, Simran, we can say that the BJP leaders are very much confident to win these elections because of the anti-incumbency factor also that BJP claims is working against Arvind Kejriwal. So apart from that, targeting Arvind Kejriwal for his governance, he also mentioned that in the last 15 years, Arvind Kejriwal has only made statements which he has, had to apologize in the upcoming days as well, because, nothing has been done in the national capital. So Hardeep Puri has claimed that the people of Delhi are very much upset with Arvind Kejriwal and also the Aam Aadmi Party government in the national capital. And, talking about the budget as well, that has been, that has came yesterday by the finance minister. He also said that this budget will also be welcomed by the people of Delhi, and it is a very good budget that has come, in terms of taking the thoughts of the middle class people as well. So yes, BJP is very much confident to win these elections, and now all the senior leaders are also taking a drive and targeting Aam Aadmi Party on various issues. Yes,
all right, Mehndi, thank you very much for in fact sharing these details and giving us more information. Now in the latest for the international story.